How to get excellence in experimental research. Plan your experiments carefully. Before starting any experiment, plan it carefully by considering all the relevant factors such as equipment, materials, and procedures. Make sure to also establish clear goals and hypotheses. Control your variables. In experimental research, it is essential to control all the variables that could influence the results. This involves keeping everything else constant while manipulating only the variable of interest. Use appropriate techniques. Choose appropriate experimental techniques for your research question. Use reliable and validated methods and equipment to ensure accurate and reproducible results. Ensure accuracy and precision. Always strive for accuracy and precision in your experimental measurements. This involves using appropriate statistical methods to analyze your data and verifying your results using multiple approaches. Document everything. Keep a detailed record of your experimental procedure, including your observations and measurements. This will help you to troubleshoot any problems and to communicate your findings effectively. Maintain good laboratory practices. Adhere to good laboratory practices to ensure safety and accuracy in your experiments. This includes using appropriate protective equipment, following established procedures, and properly disposing of hazardous materials. Collaborate with experts. Collaborate with experts in your field or related fields to improve your experimental techniques and to access specialized equipment or facilities. Analyze your data rigorously. Analyze your data rigorously using appropriate statistical methods. This will help you to identify patterns, relationships, and potential sources of error. Seek feedback. Seek feedback from your peers, colleagues, or mentors to improve your experimental design and techniques. This will help you to identify any weaknesses in your approach and to learn from others' experiences. Learn from your failures. Failure is a natural part of experimental research. Learn from your mistakes and use them as opportunities to refine your approach and to improve your future experiments.